So I'm here in my slightly messy garage here with two ginormous boxes that arrived from UPS today. I don't know if you can see them. And then I'll walk over here. And this one here, I think there's going to be something interesting in there. And I'm looking forward to opening it up. And Tintin is here, running around somewhere. You say hi, Tintin? You say hi? Can you speak? Can you speak? Who's here? Oh, someone's here. Alright, so I'm going to cut these boxes open and see what I got. Okay, so I cut away about 20 pounds of cardboard, and now I have another box here with, looks like some sort of silverback foam. So I feel like I'm not too much closer to discovering what's in here, but I will keep going. Alright, inside the foam casing is another cardboard box and more tape. Okay, we got all the foam casing off, and now we are back to another box. And this is just box 1 of 2. So, more cutting. Okay, now we are getting somewhere. The outer casing made out of several boxes has been cracked open, and now we're to the inner spot here. And we've got all kinds of, there's a bag. I don't know if there's anything in there. This has some weight, so maybe there's something there. Oh, that looks like, is that wheels? Interesting. That has a little weight. Oh, there's some color. Oh, something. Alright. I'm going to keep going here and see what I got. Okay. I still have a bunch more packaging here to get through, but this is starting to look like an airplane. I believe it is an Ultrastick 60 that has been set up to fly autonomously for a project. Cool. I'm excited. I now have about 2 years of supply of packing garbage to work through into my trash can. Anyway, very cool. Very well packed. Thank you, UPS store. And very safe. You could have driven a truck over the box and it wouldn't have hurt anything. Okay, here's some more detail of the fuselage. We got the nose here. The motor is not installed. I guess I'll need to do that, but that would have made the box longer. Not a big deal. In here we got some electronics. This is the Boulder Flight flight control system. It's got a beagle bone, a teensy, a custom cape. It's got an IMU on board. Everything you need to fly the airplane autonomously. There's some, looks like a servo breakout board in here. We got the rudder and elevator servos. The cabling looks like it's pretty neatly tied together. Up here we've got the GPS and conveniently 2 USB expansion ports, which these will go to the BeagleBone and the Teensy for programming, maintenance, stuff like that. Here's our radio modem antenna, and we can just keep going. There's the tail with the control surfaces just taped a little bit to secure them. So that is what we got so far. I bet the wing is going to be in the next box. I'm just guessing. Okay, I got smart and opened up the garage door to give myself more light and room to get the next box open. So So this is a very well packed wing. Packed similar to the previous box with like 15 layers. So this all came through really well, and I'm in no hurry to take the bubble wrap off, so it'll keep the wing protected for a little while longer. So we got a wing, we got a fuselage, and a small bit of assembly, and we're gonna go fly.